Hey guys, and welcome back to another day trading recap on this channel. Today, there were two trades which I took with my same PO3 model, one at the 2 a.m. candle and one took place at the 6 a.m. candle. Yeah, let's get right into it. Let's start with the first trade. So, as you can see, we accumulated a lot. And what I wanted to see are longs to about here was my trading idea. To be exact, when we saw this big wick, I marked it out, and the CE of it almost aligned with the 705. So I just took this as my TP. When I had my target, I wanted to see a PD array. First of all, it was this 50-minute fair value gap, which we created right before the candle opened, right here. But as you can see, we inverse this really like instantly. So I thought I wasn't gonna take a trade, but we had this perfectly looking new day opening up right here, and the candle opened. We instantly manipulated to the downside. We had accumulation before we respected the CE of this new day opening gap perfectly. So I was like, I'm still ready to take a trade off of this. And yeah, that's what I did. Let me show you here, right here. We made a new low, high, low, high, low, high. And in the end, we had this CIST, which we closed above right here. Stop loss is always the same. 1 point below the low, so right here. And the TP I told you already was exactly here. I can show you my execution so you know I don't lie. Basically entered right here, 704, and took my TP at 756. And yeah, so perfectly looking trade. Even the price action is really, really good. Like, as you can see, when we were in the trade, we perfectly raked off some trip levels, and yeah, it looked just really good. What I forgot to mention is what also motivated me to take this trade was the higher time frame FIB. So right here we just respected the 0.5 of this big move. So yeah, I could have held this trade to all-time high. So like, I know it was around here, which you perfectly reacted off, but you can't know that. And I was happy with this 5-hour trade, which played up perfectly. Now, let's get to the second trade. Unfortunately, it was a loss, as I can tell you already. But I'm gonna explain why I took it. So, we reacted perfectly off the all-time high, like we swapped it and then went down. So I was like, okay, I would like to see shorts. I was thinking this is the high of the week. So I was ready to look for a TP, which was this right here, the Asia low, which was also a 4-hour fair value gap. It looked literally perfect for me as a TP. And yeah, we created a nice 50 minutes fair value gap. We opened the candle and tapped it right here. Same procedure as always. Marking out the CSD, which was here. Then we made a new high, so right here. Close below it almost instantly. And this was the trade. As you can see, I got stopped out almost instantly, but the 1 point above the high saved me. I don't even need to show you the TP, because as you can see, when the 7 a.m. candle opened, it literally just shot up. I don't know why, but it's an hourly open, so I just accepted it. And yeah, that's it for these 2 trades. I hope you could learn something, and I'm happy that I made a little bit more than 5K, I think. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and see you soon. Bye.